Hello, I'm Kyle Bratch of Nelson-Rigg, and today I want to show you how to get storage capabilities inside your Can-Am Maverick doors. This here is our Can-Am Maverick door bag. These door bags have been UV treated and are water resistant due to our TriMax fabric with carbon fiber-like accents. They feature rubber-coated oversized zip pullers which are easy to operate even with gloves. These door bags measure 24 inches in length, 9 inches in width, and 2.5 inches in depth, and they hold 7 liters per side. These door bags can be mounted on both the front and the rear factory Can-Am Maverick doors. This door bag makes for easy and convenient storage right here inside your Can-Am Maverick door. Now this installs quite easily on both sides of the vehicle, both passenger and driver, utilizing these 3 hook and loop fasteners here at the top, and then a piece of double stick hook and loop here that secures the bag to the bottom part of your door. This installation takes just minutes, so let's come on in close, take a look, and I'll show you just how that process works. When it comes to installation of this door bag, it couldn't get much simpler. What we have here is an adhesive piece of hook and loop. Now this is going to go ahead and affix to the inside of your door panel. That's going to allow you to remove this bag from the vehicle without the use of any tools. There's no hardware to remove is what I'm trying to say. Now the function of this strip is going to be to keep the bottom of the bag from moving down here at the lower portion of the door. So to begin this installation, we're going to go ahead and peel back a section of the tape that keeps this sticky from sticking. We're then going to stick our hand over the top of it and slide this door bag into place. Once we get the door bag positioned up here in the front, you're going to go ahead and release your hand from the back side of the bag carefully. And now we're going to go ahead and affix our hook and loop straps here at the very front. Go ahead and pull that down nice and tight and secure the hook and loop. We're now going to come here towards the center of the bag. We're going to reach back here, remove the rest of our backing. We're going to set this bag in place. Now there's a 2-inch wide section of hook and loop on the back of the bag, so it doesn't really matter how that strip is positioned as long as it has about 1 inch of material that overlaps. We're now going to take this back piece right here, we're going to come up over the frame rail here of the door and affix the top part. And there we have it. Now that we've completed this upfront installation, if you're also looking for storage for the rear door, let me show you how easily this same bag fits back there. So moving to the rear of the vehicle here, we're going to pull our door bag out. I'm going to go ahead and affix this front loop loosely, and then I'm going to slide it forward. With it slid all the way forward, I'm going to go ahead and attach the center hook and loop. I'm then going to go ahead and affix this rear strap over here. Now we're going to flip this up, and if this was our first time installation, we'd peel off that tape here on the back, and then we would push this door bag so it adheres itself to the inside of the door. And there we go. It's that easy to get rear cargo storage here on the back door of your Can-Am Maverick. So if your Can-Am Maverick has a door frame similar to this, these door bags are a great way to keep your goods secure as you are bouncing down the trail. 7 liters of storage here for the back and for the front per side. Just make sure you order quantity 2 at checkout to get all 4 door bags. I'm Kyle Bratch of Nelson-Rigg. Thank you for watching. Till next time, take care and ride safe out there.